This is what I'm currently sewing with, the single quantum. Style is 99.60. It has all the automatic features. Heavy duty enough for me. To me, this machine is very sensitive, and I just can't deal with the sensitivity of this particular machine. I'm a singles girl. I have 2 other singers sewing machines and a baby lock serger. So the new machine that I'm unboxing today, I would like to share with you, is also a baby lock. Don't let me find out I'm switching from single to baby lock. Okay, let's get started. So this looks like your thread guides and all of that. Here's the package of accessories that come with the machine, and I'll share them later. And your power cord on top. Here's your guide, your baby lock manual. And I suggest that when you're shopping for a machine, make sure you shop around for all the bells and whistles that you like in a machine and try it out. Do your homework, research what you're looking for, and find it. And the foot pedal. And here she is, the baby lock Soprano. Brand new right out the box. What I'm doing now, guys, is removing all of the blue tape from the machine. And before I start this machine, I'm pretty much peep into the owner's manual, get it set up and thread it. Here are some more feet in your tray connected to more feet and accessories. The tray detaches so I can get to these. Okay, this is how it's looking under the cover, top cover, where your thread goes and your bob winding mechanisms are located. Let's power it on. Then you have very quiet bobbin winding. Very nice stitches. Make sure you keep your manual handy and go through it. It will become, if you will, your Bible for a new sewing machine. But definitely. So there you have it, guys. Today is Sewing Skill Building Saturdays. This is Alethea. I appreciate you coming, and I appreciate your support. The only thing that I do not like about this machine is, listen, when you turn it on, it's very, very noisy. Don't care for that sound at all. Thank you for coming. See you next time. Bye. So now, guys, I'm going to Joann's. Thanks to Grace, or So Lovely with Grace, and Denise. I've been advised that there's a sale, and I'm gone. Bye.